Aishwarya, thank you so much for finding time for me in cinema.
Absolute pleasure.
You're even more beautiful in the flesh.
Oh, we tried.
Feel free to say the same about me.
You're more beautiful in the flesh, or would you prefer handsome?
Whatever you prefer. What a fabulous actress. You went straight in, you didn't even think about it. You come to Cannes a lot. I know you've been many years.
Yes.
I saw you at the red carpet for the opening gala this year. How do you enjoy Cannes? How does Cannes compare to the other festivals you attend, the other film festivals?
Well, I think it's just that I'm very much at home here because I've been coming here for so many years, and just the beginning was very, very privileged for me. It was the first time that an Indian movie...
Hello everyone, I'm Satya sir. In today's video, we will break down an exciting interview with Aishwarya Rai, where she shares her experiences at Cannes Film Festival and talks about Indian cinema. We will also go over some unique words she used that can help boost your English. Stay tuned and let's get started.
Aishwarya, thank you so much for finding time for me in cinema.
Absolute pleasure.
You're even more beautiful in the flesh.
Here, flesh means meeting someone in real life rather than just viewing them through media.
Oh, we tried.
Feel free to say the same about me.
You're more beautiful in the flesh, or would you prefer handsome?
Whatever you prefer. What a fabulous actress. You went straight in, you didn't even think about it. You come to Cannes a lot. I know you've been many years.
Yes.
I saw you at the red carpet for...
Red carpet is a special carpet laid out for important people at big events like movie premieres or award shows. It is a sign of respect and honor.
the opening gala
Gala is a formal party or event.
this year. How do you enjoy Cannes? How does Cannes compare to the other festivals you attend, the other film festivals?
Well, I think it's just that I'm very much at home here because I've been coming here for so many years, and just the beginning was very, very privileged
Privileged means having something special.
for me. It was the first time that an Indian movie was being screened here with Dev Das. Soon after, I was here as a jury member, which was a first for any Indian actor. It was an honor and an incredible...
Incredible means something that is unbelievably good, amazing, or extraordinary.
experience. And then down the years, this is my 10th year here, so that's why I'm virtually like part of the family here, so I'm very much at home.
One of the things I do love about seeing movies from India, as well as when I see films from Korea, Japan, is the sense that culturally they are drawing from their own reference points. They are very much from their own. But now with the kind of homogenization of...
The homogenization of global culture means that many countries are starting to look and act the same.
cinema, with the spread of ideas, and that, there's a chance that will be eroded. Do you welcome that, or would you rather keep it kind of not culturally locked, but certainly specifically referring to Indian things whenever possible?
I think you put it beautifully. It's not necessary, especially when it's a creative medium, that you prefer art not get locked into necessarily being regionalized or compartmentalized. But this
Regionalized refers to something that is specific to a certain region, culture, or area, and not widespread as general. Compartmentalized refers to something being divided into separate, often isolated sections or categories.
same time, being somebody who comes from such a rich culture, I think it's wonderful that we still have so much of it going in various art forms.
One final question. My father-in-law, he lives in Goa for most of the year. He has a wonderful life. I don't know how he managed it. He retired. He's the luckiest man in the world. He lives on the beach. A guy delivers pizza through his window. It's wonderful. But he says when he goes to see the movie, a lot of time families turn up with food, with drinks, and it's a kind of a big day out, but it's quite noisy.
Here's the address of that theatre.
Quite a different thing. Yeah, and he said, is that commonplace? Because I haven't seen a movie. I've never been to see a movie in Mumbai, but I wonder, is that commonplace the whole of India, that people are more relaxed about it, or do they sit and focus on the film like you would find?
No,
say,
it's an entertainment time, and it's a family experience time, family or friends. I mean, you go on to experience it and to relax and enjoy. And I guess, I don't know, our theatres, definitely, the catering.
Catering is the service of supplying food and drinks, especially for special occasions like parties, weddings, or business events.
Is excellent.
Yeah.
So you have all kinds of stuff. It's great fun, and you'll always have your popcorn if nothing else. So your snacks are there, and yes, I think that's always been a part of cinema viewing and movie watching and theatre going experience for families for the longest.
It's
so.
the whole day out. It's a theme park event. Aishwarya,
It's an evening out.
how lovely speaking to you. Thank you so much for finding time. I know you have to go off and get stripped
Stripped means to remove all or most of the parts.
and remodeled for this evening's
No,
appearance.
some more interviews. Ain't that lucky?
Well,
Not
congratulations.
yet.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Aishwarya.
Absolute pleasure. Cheers.
So my kind and beautiful viewers, please subscribe, like and share this video.